day, new job, midnight start. Here we go. I'm gonna go check down the basement. Down into the basement to the panel room first. Whoa, careful with that. Right, here we go to the panel room. See what we got going. This is where the supposedly the cables and stuff blew up. And let's check out the rest of the room. What's going on here? Everything's de-energized so far. All right. Guess we're gonna just pull into this room right here. This panel. I have to take all this other burnt stuff off and eventually land them and. All right, let's go. Here we go. We're gonna be taking the 750 off and using the dolly. Going to the pad mount. We're gonna check out where they dug up the conduit and the cable blew up from that panel. Here she is right here. As you can see where they repaired the conduits over there. That's where we're gonna be. Went into that panel room where I just showed you guys earlier. All right. Stand by. The transformer area. That's where she's at right there. So here we're at the pad mount. Gonna be landing them here. And the conduit wraps around in the back. We're asking the kid how he would rig this up. Remember, you got about 1 million people watching you again. All right, gonna be landing them here at the 750s, all 4 sets.
Out. 4 sets right there.
Look, what are we doing, kid?
All right. I would do a corner roller around and then tie it off to the and then
Yeah, you heard me say that.
To the capstan. And
Okay, but what about over here? What would you do?
Where?
Over here, from the conduit.
From the conduit?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Would it be straight shot?
No.
Or is it going to be an angle when you come up to the corner roller?
It's going to be an angle.
Okay, so what would you do then? You're going to let it burn the rope on the conduit?
No.
So what would you do? That all night. Roller we could use.
No, I haven't seen it.
Okay, we'll show you right now. All right, so we're going to use the truck, bank shot off the corner to the capstan back over there. We might bring it a little bit closer. Stand by. Good shot of the new gangsters that are here with us. Hello. Only 1 trillion people watching you.
Oh, shit.
Just make sure you do it right, all right?
Oh, shit, I gotta go.
There it is, Leo. Dang.
Capital
Capital GG. Alrighty. Gonna pull in 4 sets of the 750, and they're gonna be rigging it up pretty nice. All right. We got the kid here setting up the duct roller. These are new conduits because I had to bust a wall and put new conduits because the guys blew it up when they were digging with the backhoe. They're a little bit awkward, but it's all right. Right, kid?
Yeah.
Alrighty. There it is.
There.
That's perfect.
All right. And
All
out.
right. Let's check it out, the angle. How's the angle go? There it is. No. Over there. If not, we'll float a block. You see where it has that screw in? We can float a block so it goes from here, there, and then up.
Can you do a handline shiv on the ladder?
Never do the handline shit. Come on, dude. Hey, tell your buddies.
This is crazy rigging.
Alrighty.
Yeah.
We'll get her done. We'll educate your buddies here, right here. Well, the kid's saying this is kind of an awkward angle. So I'm asking him, what can we do to rig over here? That's why I'm sitting over here on this side. So what do we got, kid? Tell me, because the kids don't got all night and I'm running out of film. All right, so we can float a block there, come out from here. We can float a block with a knuckle to over there. And then we can float another one with a screw and knob over there on that wall to the corner roller, right? So let's try that. Let's go get a knuckle. We'll take this out. We'll go from here to there and then up. Let's see how that works, all right?
Okay.
Good job of telling me what you're gonna do. When we can get them in right.
Hey, is Sue down there, over?
Sue's outside over there.
Alright.
Did you get my ID?
That's a negative.
You didn't get nothing? On random so I can see.
Yeah, we're coming up on it right now.
Those block there, kid. Get some real blocks. Come on.
I remember.
Not yet.
They're tied off, but
Take those off, put them right here so we can put the knuckle on there, okay? All right. Well, as of right now, there's a box or another hole that we have to find in order to get these tied together and pull back the rope, or for them to take our rope. So stand by. All right, so we're outside, re-rigged the truck, and these guys are taking down our rope. All right, stand by. All right, if we're looking for that pull-through that I was talking about. No, not that way. They turn this way. Hey, you know what, Science? Come on over here. Check it out. I think I found something. Here's a piece of cardboard. Hey, you got your gloves on?
Yes, sir.
Lift that up. It might be right here. I think I found some right here, Andy. I think I found it right here. Maybe, so that wasn't it. Looking for that J box somewhere over here. There's no other indication showing that it's been dug up or anything, except over here where this big old part is at. Once again, that's where those ducks are.
You found it?
Get a little bit closer to where this stuff is at, where it was dug up, right around here. And I believe it's this bank over here of conduits. But I don't see nothing on the floor for a box. All right, here's the duct bank. All right, there it is. It goes in here, and from here it should go up a little bit, then across the property that way. Nothing. All right, stand by. And so, looking at it in there, looks like the rope is just floating, but it's going somewhere and it's supposed to be tied off somewhere. So anyways, all right, the guys already have the cable ready here, and I'll show you how we're pulling it in. We're floating a block right here on this nice big old monster piece of concrete here, and from here, oops, goes over to the dolly. So got it going on here. All right. They found it in the garage down here. Let's see where it's at. So it goes from here, from the corner right there, all the way around to the other side. Wow. Go from this pad all the way around the back, goes to this pad mount. That's abandoned kind of. They're using it as a J box. And from there it comes out, and it goes all the way to the panels. That's crazy. But anyways, we'll get her done. That's what we found out. That there they go from there. It goes, wraps around. It goes to that pad mount, the one we were gonna pull in from, we thought. So it's gonna happen from there. We're gonna ID all the conduits from there to here and try to tie the strings together and try to make it go look and pull it even That's why we're taking off all the stuff on the wall, so we get everything in line at least. All right, stand by. All right, get an ID from the panel.
You got it? Send it, pull it back. Yeah, that's the one. Let me see, excuse me?
Yeah, want me to cut it? Want me to cut it so you can tie it?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Okay, so now he's gonna tie it off, make that one up. One down, three more to go. All right, we'll get her done. That's the one? All right, so far so good. We're lining them up. Now that we found everything out, so we're going from here, capstan, yeah, to here. Then from the back of this pad mount, wraps around and goes over there. Rigged up. Here we go. All right, so here we go. For a roller. And all right. Need the duct roller because it's going to burn the side. So, will it fit in there? If not, we can get a 4-inch maybe, or a 3-inch.
Not that angle.
Okay, go get a 3-inch.
3-inch?
Yeah. Here we go. It's not too bad. It's gonna work. It's not gonna cut into the duct, the PVC. All right, Mark, slow bill and a half. All right, perfect. He's taking a slow bill and a half. And we got over here. We're doing a pull through this right here, as you guys can see here. With a gill hoolie at the end. That's where I was at right now. All right, stand by. We got Mr. Julian here feeding the cable. Everything's looking great. 750 coming down.
Yeah, so far so good.
Looking good?
Yeah.
All right, we're floating it through the LA wheel. And these guys got the best job over here. Look at Andy, he's an expert.
I'm an expert, I'm a track star.
There he is.
There she goes.
Alrighty. And looking back this way. Things looking good here. Really nice. Hey, we got cable. Alright, pull through this pad mount. Heading towards the gill hoolie. Perfect. Awesome. Alrighty. Stand by. I'm gonna take that duct roller out because the cable's here. All right, Mark. Go for it, Mark. Take it, Mark. All right. So we took the duct roller out, and the cable's here. That's how we're doing what we're doing right now. And we took the corner roller off too, so it'll slide over the tarp. Step. We got cable. All right. Awesome. take it off and we'll roll it through the Right, we're gonna just take it off the block and we're gonna just let it ride on the pole so we can get a couple more feet out of it. All right, here we go. All right, one down. 3 more spans to go.
Standing like 5 feet in front of you.
Taking the sock off to get the next pull going.
Clear for runway 747 over. You just gonna drop down.
Left the hose clamp there. Was it still good?
The kid's gonna attempt the knot. Let's see if he does it right this time. Only 1 million people watching you, okay? Uh-oh. Don't be hiding from the camera now. I can see you.
That's wrong. What do you mean it's wrong? It's
All right, pull number 2. Pull 2. Second cable coming in. Cable's here, but we're just waiting for it to come out so we can do an all stop and take the duct roller out of the way. All right, stand by. Go!
I'll stop.
All right, all stop. 3 bells! All right, moving the duct roller. All right, Mark, take it! Got the best shot of the kid right here. All right, here she comes. All right, and the cable's still here, being paid out. And coming down and about. Rigging's still going good. All right, here we go. Everything's looking great.
Oh, no. The one on
Second pull.
Avenue 19.
Getting ready for the third one. All right.
Slide it off the end.
Okay.
Go all the way to the end.
All right, everything looking great.
You're looking great.
Thank you. All right.
All right, now pull that off. Slide it off
cool.
to the end.
Right now, okay.
Going on the 3rd span. Looking great. Cable number 3 coming in. The other 2 that are here already, got 1 more to go. Right, the kid's taking off the sock. Last set of cable in. Here's the other 3. And we're gonna keep moving on to check it out. And then we're gonna check the other side. We're gonna check out Mr. Sue, what he's done over here. Everything looks fine, Mr. Sue?
Hey, give me the right ground, the 3/4.
There's all the spans in there. Looks nice.
8 3/4.
All right. Let's go check out the other side. Step by. Mr. Julian? Awesome. Look at that. Look at that. Pushed it to the very end. That's a little bit left. Now that's one way to rig cable. Woohoo! Time doing a fine job. Right. Last rigging part of it, LA wheel. From here to there. All right. Nice. Look at that. All pulled in. That's good. We're gonna give the Dirt Dog some credit for doing a fine job over here with all the conduits in place. All done up. All right. All right, so we have all the cables in. Now we're starting to rack them up.
Yeah.
He's doing a fine job right there. Use your whole body. Here's the rest of the mess down here, where we're going to continue to work on it, get it up, so we can land them up there.
This one right here.
Red?
This one right no, this one right here. This one. What? That way. Yeah. So the red one, hold on the red one, and then the blue one, unravel it.
Yeah, shut up.
Yeah, there you go, do that. Cable goes on this one.
Yeah.
Right? So
So back to back on the one rack, and then back to back on the other rack.
So you're gonna bring it right there, and you're gonna zip tie it to this thing, like you know.
Where's the breakfast burritos?
Bring it over there.
So all 4 sets are racked in. Looks great. The kid's doing awesome. They go all the way out. And then we're going to come back down and put the other 4 sets on the other rack. All right, stand by. All right, here we go. The newest gangsters are doing a fine job, man. Look at them.
Grab that shit, bro. I got it. Gangsters. Studio Wanksters. Hold on.
Fine job.
Ready?
Yeah.
Hit it.
Danny boy, Danny.
The kid's attempting to do the shrink tubes. Doing a fine job. But he's got to be shown now. Keep rolling it, Mijo. Roll it. More. Get the flame closer. All right, it's looking great. The flame down the shrink tube looks very nice.
Hey, when you're heating, you gotta wear cotton gloves when you're using fire.
Okay.
Right, it's almost done.
I think.
Another problem.
Oh.
Okay, here we go. We're gonna take all this off because we couldn't identify the cables, the existing ones. So now we're gonna take them off. So when they do energize it, we're gonna have these in rocket. Alrighty. Stand by. And we have all this once again all pulled in. Yeah, it looks like a spider web, but it's gonna be all done real nice. Taking off all this other stuff and land them. All right. So we took them off the bus. So now once they energize the pad mount, now they're gonna have to phase them over here. So no problems, no hassle. That's what we're doing. That's why we're doing this. Alrighty, stand by.